So I developed a new strategy. It's called Count Candles. So it'll be like one, two, three. So it'll be three in a row, then it'll turn green. But it tells you the average. So the average is two candles in a reverse. So one, two, red, and it's an uptrend. It'll be green. See that? So the next will be green, and then it'll be consecutive at most 2 times. So you can get out the next day. I use it on a daily. So one, so it'll be like one, two, and it would be two green and one red. See that? Or it'd be like one, two, three, four. Just stretching it. Max is five, and most likely, if it's five, most likely that's gonna be red. So it'll be one, two, three in a row. The next will be green. Like two large red. And then one, two. So most likely the next day will be green for one, two, three on this day. So the next day will be green. And it's tapping the 50. And then I'll have the counting candles on the bottom for sale. So since it's two consecutive already, three. So one, two, three, and right here on the bottom. You use it for the daily, for example. This went straight down. So we'll use a daily. So one, two, three. So four red on average. And then green. You can go for buy. And then we one, two, three, and then get reverse. Again, we one, two, and then three. So it's just three red candles in a row, which is two on average. So you can know when to get in and out. So one, two. It has to be red. One, two. Next red. One, two. Red. But you have to decide if it's like a bullish or bearish. It's under the 50 MA and the 150 MA, then it's bearish. And you can check the histogram. The histogram is really strong, like really high, like this, then it's pretty bearish. If the histogram is like really green like this, then it's really bullish. But I prefer to use this for like the daily. So you can do red, green, one, two, three, green. So the third day, if it's red, closed, you can consider a gap play on options, buy a call, and then boom, you make money. So this will create more winners and losers. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have this lowered indicator for sale on Etsy down below the link. Thanks for watching. Bye.